on the other side. I said, Kermit, it's very simple, you see. Rainbows are visions, but only illusions. Rainbows have nothing to hide. So we've been told, and some choose to believe it, but I know they're wrong. Wait and see. I come. Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me. Let every wish be heard and answered when wished on a morning star. Somebody thought of it and someone believed it, and look what it's done so far. What's so amazing that keeps us stargazing? What do we think we might see? Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me. All of us under its sky, we know that it's probably magic. Have you heard half asleep? And have you heard voices? I've heard them calling my name. Is this the sweet sound that calls the young sailors? That voice might be one and the same. I've heard it too many times to ignore it. It's something that I'm supposed to. Where did you get that picture? I'm supposed to be. Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the dreamers and me. La da 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 da. Thank you. Great song written by Paul Williams for the Muppet movie that many of you saw, and it's kind of a classic. I love doing that song.